welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a tamale pie. Turned out absolutely delicious. I kicked it up a bit, changed the recipe a little bit. Hope you'll enjoy and I hope you'll watch. I also have a big tam on there that I'm hardly getting any hits off. That turned out delicious, so give that a try. Please subscribe and comment. We're going to start with some olive oil enough to cover the bottom of the pan and get that nice and hot. And then we're going to add onions and bell pepper, a small onion, and about a half a cup of bell pepper. And if you want to add more, you can, whatever your taste is. I'm adding a half a cup, and then we're going to stir them until they're tender. Green peppers, onion, turn it down just a little bit. We want to keep them a little crisp. We don't want to actually saute them to the full. Just want to like kind of fry them up a little bit. And you still want to be like kind of a crispy tender. Add a teaspoon of garlic. Mix that up a little bit. Add 2 pounds of ground turkey. And brown that up about 6 to 8 minutes this will take. Break it all apart like I'm doing. While that's frying up, I'm going to prepare the corn muffin mix. That's going to be the topping on top of our casserole. Okay. Stir it right up with a fork. Not too hard. I already preheated the oven. It's at 375. So that's ready to go on the top. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of chili powder, a teaspoon of oregano, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Nice and stirred up it is, all the green peppers and the onions all mixed in and the garlic. Stir all the chili powder. So now I'm going to add Zesty Chile style diced tomatoes. And this is a 14.5 can of tomatoes. Stir that up. I'll stir that tasty sauce. Stir it all over the turkey. Okay. Next I'm going to add stewed tomatoes. Break them up a little bit. bit of a hunk there. Take that out. Try to chop those tomatoes up. And of course, I'm going to add red beans. I did not drain these beans. I'm just going to put them right in here. Simmer this for about 10 minutes. And a 12-ounce can of corn. That should do it. Does that look good? Of course, then you add cheese to this, and it makes it perfect. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt. Put as much as to taste for you. I want some of that liquid to reduce down. Get all that flavor cooked together, mix it up. Now you're going to stir in half a cup of cheese into the corn muffin mix. Now it's going to go right on top of the casserole. Okay, so now we're going to take and put the mixture on the bottom of the pan. Not all of it, some of it. Good. I'm going to pull that up like that. And one more. See how that looks. And you can sprinkle with the cheese of your choice. Sprinkle the top of this with cheese. Looking good. And now you take the rest of it. See it real good, right, Leah? Mm-hmm. more cheese. Layer it up here. Finish it off with this. Our oven on, remember? So oven on at 375. Now you're going to cook this at 375 for about 20-25 minutes.
When do I hit to stop it?
The timer. Just hits timer. Looking good. Let's top it with corn muffin mix. Spread it out. It's not really that easy. Okay, into the oven it goes for about 20-25 minutes at 375. Okay, the tamale pie is done. Next time I would use an extra box of cornmeal mix to cover the entire top. It's supposed to be about 1 inch thick and it's not, but I'm sure it tastes delicious. So let's cut it and eat it.